time, this is a must. And I am in Besnagar. This is actually an usual spot to have this, but little expensive. But you don't get a place where you get a car park and coconut. I don't know what you call this, but tastes very yum, very healthy. Hi guys, welcome back. Another day, another vlog, another day in Chennai. So it is a weekend, so again a weekend getaway. So don't know where I am heading to. Started with some coconut. As you know, the summer has started. It's around 35 degree and it's still in March. We have April, we have May. God knows how it is going to be. This vlog is another weekend getaway, exploring something new, something good, some delicious food. I have listed down a few places to show you guys. So let's find out what's in for today. So stay tuned. Okay, so finally to Mahabalipuram. I don't know which restaurant, just going to go and figure out what to have and which restaurant to choose. Been here a lot of times, but then it's a weekend getaway. Decided to go for a short drive. No, it's not a short drive, it's a long drive from Chennai. So let's find out what's there. So stay tuned. So there are a lot of restaurants here, so let's choose something. Okay, so come to this restaurant called Seashore, and it has a beach view. So there are a lot of restaurants here, so I couldn't show you much of beach view in the last video. If you haven't watched the last video, watch it here. So this video I'm actually pretty much early, so I can show you the beach view over here. So I ordered for a few food, which is prawns. So I have prawns, I have some chicken pasta, and also I have masala omelette. So let me taste it. Prawns is super yummy. Super. This is fried prawns. Generally you get tawa prawns over here. But fried prawns is something different. Do give it a try if you are coming here. Let's see how the pasta is. Generally it's not advisable to have pastas over here near the seaside because I don't know how it is. But let me taste it. It's a chicken pasta, by the way. Nice. Cheesy with white sauce. Nice. Not bad. Not bad for this beach view. And that is Mahabalipuram. Very famous place. And Kalos is somewhere here down the line. And you also have Radisson Blu Temple Bay is also here down the line. So if you haven't watched my before video, do watch it here, where I couldn't show you the beach view. So this is the view which I wanted to show you in the last video, but it was dark last time, so I couldn't show it. This is the one. So I think they have some rooms over here as well. Above is the restaurant, and this is all rooms over here. This is how the beach view from the restaurant and as well as the room. Go and check out how the beach is. beach looks normal, but let me also show you the beach. So how will it be if I am going over there? We are here. So we were sitting over here, and here are the beaches. And also we have Kalos Cafe over there. Bob Marley is somewhere over here there. And here you have Santana. Had a small dip in the water. It's been a long time. I think before COVID time we had visited the beach, and I think after a year I'm dipping my legs in water. Maybe more than a year actually. So Mahabalipuram is done. Off to the next destination. Planning for a nice desert and maybe some movie as well. So let's find out. Something very interesting which you can't see anywhere. Very rare to see. A man is reading a book just behind me. I don't know if you can see it. There it is. Something very different. Beach is done, so next stop is desert and some dinner, followed by dinner. So after a long time had some fun in the beach, so off to the next stop. Crowd is actually back in spite of COVID cases increasing. So I'm shooting right now in March first week, so not bad. So parking is quite of an issue here because cars don't come inside. You might have to come in with your own risk. So if you're looking for a nice spot, this is a good spot to come. But if parking is an issue, then you might have to park somewhere outside and walk towards the beach, which is what I do. So maybe it's not that far, it's like half a kilometer, or no, not less than half a kilometer. So you park less than half a kilometer and then you walk towards the beach. So that's the best option. After a nice lunch and a nice beach time, it's time for some energy. Head to the next spot. No idea where I'm going. Let's find out. Let me exit Mahabalipuram first of all. It's a big task here. So let's find out where I am headed to. And stop. After an amazing dessert, which I had, is one is Ferrero Rocher and one is salted caramel ice cream and red velvet ice cream. I decided to go for a movie. So that place which I went is Amelia's. It has been voted as one of the best in Chennai, or I think South India. They have been voted as one of the best. So do give a try if you are a dessert lover, or if you are a pastries lover, if you are a ice cream lover, or there are so many other different food inside. So do check online. You might like it. I liked it for sure. I'm coming one more time. So satisfying. Stomach is full, and now I am off to Phoenix Mall. So I've come here for a movie. The movie name is Priest. It's a Malayalam movie. So it's been released today. I think it was released today. No, it was released yesterday. So big fan of Mammootty. So watching for him and few other good cast in that. Haven't watched the trailer yet. So let's go and find out. And I will let you know how the movie was. Okay. So Phoenix Mall looks colorful in the night. I think not much of crowd today. It's a Saturday, but not much of crowd. Maybe it's 9 p.m. I'm coming here at 9 p.m. So maybe because of that, I think due to this sudden spike of COVID cases, people are not stepping out. Lining for a parking here. I didn't see much people outside, but the parking is full. I don't know how. So in Phoenix Mall, I think some renovation is going on. So all these things. Again, I don't see much of crowd here, but the car parking is full. I don't know how. Generally, you see a lot of crowd here. And look at the supermarket, it's empty. The movie was fantastic. Must watch in theaters or in Amazon Prime or Netflix. Superb movie. If you're a fan of thriller and horror together, I think after a long time, beautiful movie. Mammootty has nailed it actually. Must watch. Go watch it in theaters nearby. And don't miss it, huh? Oh, that actually looks scary for me, for myself, looking at myself. Anyways, if you want to follow me on Instagram, do follow me here. This is my Instagram, and if you have any questions, do DM me here. And I think it's time for me to wind up the video. If you have enjoyed this vlog for whatsoever reason, do hit the like button below. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, do subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss any of my new video updates. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.